Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the new Dollar General ad for next week, plus we have a coupon insert preview. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so jumping right in, we are going to be doing an insert preview and a Dollar General ad preview. Now the insert, for this week I only have the save insert. My newspapers have kind of been a little off with the inserts. They're not putting them all in there all at once, like on the correct weeks. So for now, I only have the save insert to share with you all. But according to our insert prediction calendar, we should also be receiving 2 Smart Source inserts. So hopefully there are a lot of really good coupons in those inserts. But I figured, hey, I've got it. I'll go ahead and share with you all what I received in mine. Now y'all let me know. My newspapers just went up, and I mean up. I can't even remember exactly how much they went up, because I only purchased one like 2 weeks ago. But y'all let me know down in the comments below what are y'all paying for your Sunday newspapers right now, and let me know if they've took a drastic jump in price over the past few months, because when I picked up that last Sunday newspaper, I was like, oh no, that is way too much, way too much. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and flip through the save insert. It's not a whole lot, just really the coupons that are on the front here. We have 2 off 1 for the Dove Men deodorants, and then we have a 2 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care. And this is nature-inspired body wash and nature-inspired deodorants. So there's not a guarantee that that's going to work on all of the Dove Men Plus Care deodorants or body washes. And then we have a 2 off 1 for the Simple Face products. Then flipping through here, we have allergy medicine. Y'all be ready to start seeing a lot of allergy medicine in our inserts. It's just that time of year. Of course, we can't get through an insert without having some eye drop coupons, so we've got those. And on the back, more allergy medicines. So that's it for the save. So again, not a whole lot. If this is the only thing in your newspapers, I wouldn't even waste your money. But hopefully there will be 2 Smart Source inserts in Sunday's papers, and we'll have some really good coupons. So let's go ahead and jump right into the Dollar General ad preview for next week. These sale prices, unless you're into early activation, which is kind of a hit or miss, I really wanted to start doing early activation deals and give you guys some scenarios. But the couple times that I've tried it, it's really just been kind of hit or miss whether the sale price applies, whether the coupons will show up. So it's just not stable enough, and I like for it to be 100%. I don't want to tell y'all a deal that I'm not pretty sure that it's going to work out. So I don't like sending people on wild goose chases. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right in. Like I said, these will go into effect on Sunday, April the 24th, and run through April the 30th. So, not a whole lot of new things. As I flipped through, I didn't see a whole lot jumping out at me. We've got the Gain, we've got Arm & Hammer. These are the same coupons that we've had. Some of them may be expiring, and they're just giving us new the same value coupons. We've got this sale still going on next week. So that is a really good deal. Buy 2, get 1 for free. I've been telling y'all about those deals. I think we've had it for like 3 or 4 weeks now at this point. We have Scott 18 double rolls on sale for $8.50. This is a really good deal, I think. Well, I mean, it's not a great deal. We used to get them like pay $4 for 2, $5 for 2. So these are going to be on sale for $4.50, and we're going to get a 1 off 1 digital coupon. So we'll pay $3.50. 1 off 1 for the True Living bath tissue. Coca-Cola and Sprite's going to be on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. We've got our regular chip and cereal deals there. Some little food deals here and there. Sale on Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. If y'all need to pause this at any time, go ahead and feel free to do so. Just some more prices. A sale on Prego pasta sauce 2 for $6. And yeah, not a whole lot, guys. Not a whole lot. Alright, there's just some cute little home decor items. We have garden supplies, little bird houses. We have the bug spray. Alright, moving on. Got some pet deals. Well, I don't know if they're really deals, but there are the prices if y'all need some pet food. Alright. Again, I'm just not seeing a whole lot of new coupons. Let's see here. We just received that one. A new Save 3 on 3 Dove products. We've got that coupon right now. What is it? Save $1 when you buy Believe Beauty cosmetics or nail polishes. Alright. So there you go. We should be getting a new Colgate coupon for 2 off 1. Instant savings of 25 cents on the alcohol, pads, liners, stuff like that. Huggies, $2.50 off 1. And then on the back here, just some more deals that we've kind of been seeing over the past couple of weeks. We will have the Clover Valley Water, 24 packs on sale too for $8. And I think those have went up to like $5.50 each. So that's a pretty good little sale right there. Especially, we do have DG rewards that will go right along with that. Alright guys, there you go. That is the new Dollar General ad preview for next week. Again, this is for April the 24th through April the 30th. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.